Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to set up Stripe on Wix. So first is you have to research if your country is eligible to have the Stripe payment method. Because as you know, there are countries that Stripe is not available. So see for example, my current country for this website is the Philippines. So we are going to see if Stripe is available for my website. Okay, so once you're on your website, all you have to do is go to your dashboard. And once you're here, you just have to click on the settings right here at the left side of your screen. Okay, and then select the accept payments. And then once you've done that, you'd be able to see here the payments method that you can actually use. Okay, so let's try to go to the see more payment options to see if the Stripe is available. So as you can see, I don't have that payment method yet. So all you have to do is to change your business location. So right here at the top right of your screen, so you just have to select your country. And so see, for example, my current country is the Philippines, so it is not available yet. So let's try to search for Australia. So let's try to see if Australia has the ability to use the Stripe payment method. So as you can see, Stripe is available for Australia. So all you have to do once you have this option, you just have to click on connect. Okay, and then you just have to scroll down and you have to click on connect option and then just follow the instructions right here at the top. Okay, so right here you just have to type out all of the details that you need. Then you'd be able to use or to have the Stripe as your payment method. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.